Today, I'm gonna show you how to fix Amazon orders not showing problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. You can follow the steps I show in the video for both Android and iOS devices. Our first solution is to completely delete Amazon and reinstall it. We open settings to delete Amazon's data. Then we click on apps and then we click on manage apps. Type Amazon in the search bar. After doing this, we click on storage. Then we click on clear data. We click on clear all data and press OK to confirm. We cleared Amazon's data. Deleting the application on iOS devices will also clear its data. Although we delete the application on Android devices, leftover files may remain. Now we can uninstall our app from our device. We have removed Amazon from our device. We reboot our device before downloading Amazon again. After rebooting, we will download Amazon again. To do this, we enter the Play Store or the App Store. In the search bar, we type Amazon. After doing this, we click on Install. Amazon's installation is complete. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to check our country from Amazon's settings. The reason we do this is because the country we choose when we place an order may not match our current country. A lot of people on Reddit say that's why they are having problems. Your situation may be like the example I got from Reddit. We open Amazon app to check our country. Click on three horizontal lines at the bottom right. Then we click on settings. After doing this, we click on country and language. Here you can make sure that the correct country is selected. Also, don't forget to tell customer service about your situation. Amazon will cancel your order and refund your money. To do this, click customer service. Then scroll down and click I need more help. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was useful for you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.